friends, I am VP Sanu, All India President of Student Federation of India. SFI and DYFI is organizing a National Student Youth Convention on the coming July 28 in Delhi in demanding of employment and reservation in private sector. In no doubt, these are two important issues about which the students and youth in this country is concerned with. The unemployment rate in the country is increasing year after year. It is unfortunate to say the largest number of unemployed youth in the world is living in India. The national survey reports has showed that 54% of the total population of India belong to 18 to 30 age group. It means the real potential of the country lives on the creative capacity and productivity power of youth. The question we do ask here is whether the country is ensuring that this energy and resources of youth is being entertained and promoted in the direction of the development of the whole country. For that, there must be an atmosphere where the youth feel confidence and protected. This can only happen if they are ensured with employment. We have heard the promise of BJP at the time of last Lok Sabha election that they will create 2 crore new employment opportunity in every year. According to their promise, 6 crore employment would have been created by now. The actual rate is less than 6 lakh in these 3 years. Not even the 2% of what they promised is delivered. Another issue is related with the unorganized and private sector. We demand that the reservation must be extended to the private sector also. This is major step towards achieving social justice. No reservation policy is followed in private sector. The youth belongs to the marginalized sections are further discriminated in job markets. This can only put into an end with implementing reservation in private sector. Context that SFI and DYFI jointly plan a national campaign on these two slogans. The 28th convention will mark as a declaration of upcoming series of struggles of the youth and students for employment and reservation in private sector. We appeal to one and all to join this movement for social justice and create a better India which safeguard the dreams of youth. Thank you.